to observe how this padding is applying for the second paragraph. You won't able to observe how the padding and margin is going to be applying for this. See, whenever you are developing content, please go with the background colors. Any background color you take. So after done your work, after done your complete work, then you remove your background colors. Automatically, content will come from the server, and content is loading dynamically from the internet. Okay, that will be the point. And borders, if it is required, border you can provide. If it is not required, okay, that is based on your documentation. Basically, people are following. So that's fine. So let me keep the background color. That is fine. Let me keep the background color here. Now, here come to the point called padding. See, when I come to the padding, what is going to be happening? Let me copy the program, complete program. Take new and save it as. Only I'm working with padding. Padding dot or padding margin dot html. Both I will give one. Let me take a paragraph and give a loader, and I will take another paragraph also and give a load. For these two paragraphs, what I want to do is I will write some style for all the paragraph. Okay, background color is light blue. Let me give some padding. Padding 20 pixel. Okay, this 20 pixel padding, which is applying for both two paragraphs, all sides. Can you see an observe? For both two paragraphs, padding is applying or not? For both paragraph, padding is applying inside or not? You can see for both paragraphs, padding is applying inside.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, now for second paragraph, okay, let me give the classes. Class 1 and class 2. Okay, for second paragraph means dot 2. Okay, I am writing padding property override padding 10 pixel, 30 pixel or 40 pixel. I am writing two values. Okay, so here the first paragraph, a padding is applying 20 pixel all sides. All side means what? All side means what? Top, right, bottom, left. This is actually called a TRBL concept. Remember the mantra TRBL. For the first paragraph, all sides 20 pixel is applying. That is top, right, bottom, left, TRBL. But when I am giving two properties, like 10 pixel and 40 pixel, padding with two parameters. When I said two values or two parameters for the two paragraph means two class, second paragraph. Now, what is the output of the second paragraph? Second paragraph, padding override. Now, tell me about the second paragraph. Where is 10 pixel? Where is 40 pixel? Or you can take as 40 and 40 or 50. You can take 50. Now you can tell me. I am writing two parameter. One is 50 pixel. One is the 10 pixel. Where this 50 and 10 got applied from the second paragraph? Tell me. Where 10? Where 50?
Top.
Sir, I given two properties, sir. One is 50, one is 10, right? I given two properties. One is 50, one is the 10. Where 50 got applied, where 10 got applied?
Top, bottom.
50 applied to
exactly,
top, bottom.
Exactly. Top, bottom 50 pixel got applied. And 10 is applied for right, left. 10 is applied for opposite face. What is the opposite face of the right? Left. What is the opposite face of the top? Bottom. Opposite face I'm talking about. Top opposite face is what? Sir, what is the opposite face of 12 in clock?
Bottom.
What is the opposite face of the 3 in clock?
9.
Yes, in the same way, see how clock is actually working. 12 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12. In the same way, here the values also applying are starting from top. When I say two values, 50 and 10, first 50 value taken by the top. 50 value taken by the top. And immediately opposite face it will apply. See, this is like this is like this. And 50 automatically transferring to the bottom also. And here, after 50, 10 is there. 10 started from right. Then not automatically 10 taken by the left also. Now you got to understand how this TRBL concept is working.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me go for 3 properties. Let me go for 3 properties. 3 properties. Okay, so if I am giving single value, okay, top, right, bottom, left. If I take 2 values, top, bottom, and one more is right, left. It means TB. Is it correct? This is commented. If I take 2 values, how this padding is applying? Top, bottom, right. Okay, so one more case. Padding 50 or 150, 50, and I am taking 3 values. I am taking 3 values now. If I am taking 3 values, okay, this 50 and 10 overridden by the 150, 50, 10. Now tell me how this 150, 50, 10 is applying. 150, 50, 10. Tell me. Where is 150? Where is 50? Where is 10?
Right. Top, right, left.
Exactly. So first value is top. 150 taken by the top. This is 150. Next, remaining second value. What is the second value? 50. 50 is taking by right. Automatically opposite face is what? Right. Right also taking by 50. So second value only copied top value and bottom value in a queue. Top value, bottom values are in a queue. 3 value, don't confuse. When we have 3 value, first value top. Second value only taken by opposite faces. Third value is actually the single value in a queue. First value in a queue, last value in a queue, but middle value only taking by opposite faces. Got to remember? Got to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now tell me. Now tell me how this 3 values will be. The first one is top. Second value for right, left. The last value for bottom. So how I can say this one? T R left. If I have 3 values, this is the formula. So now you would understand why I'm telling TRBL number of times. TRBL is the right mantra to remember. When you see the blogs, when you see the programs, when you are watching some YouTube videos, they are directly writing the values 10, 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, something like this. See why they are writing 2 values, why they are writing 3 values, why they are writing single value. Now you got to understand. If they are writing a single value, that will take top, right, bottom, left. If they are writing 2 values, the first value for top, bottom, second value for right, left. If they are writing 3 values, first value for top, second value for right, left, third value for bottom. Don't confuse. The code you need to understand. First of all, we should understand what is padding. Then we need to understand why they are writing 2 values. Why they are writing 3 values? Got my point? Next, if I am writing, okay, padding 150, okay, 50, 10, 0. How many values I am writing now? The first value for top, second value for right, third value for, tell me, bottom, the last value for individually. The one is T, the one is R, the one is B, the one is L. G, R, B, L individually. T, R, B, L individually apply. T, R, B, L. 150, 50, 10, 0. Now execute the program and try to observe. Where is 150? I'm giving 4 values now.
Top.
150, 50,
Top.
150 top, 50 for right, bottom, 10, here, some space is there, 10, and 0, where is 0? Can you see there is no space here? There is no space here, 0, 0 padding, here 0 padding. Everything is clear? So, let me go for, now you got to understand padding. Based on the same padding process, margin also available. Based on the same process, margin also available. Margin also we will be having. Okay, one more thing. Oh my God. Okay, so this is okay. So some people are writing individualism. Padding left property separately. Padding top 10 pixel. Padding right 30 pixel. Padding bottom 100 pixel. Padding left 200 pixel. See, some people individually writing properties. Individually also you can write. These are individual properties. There is no concept of property called padding. Padding hyphen top, only top. Padding hyphen right, only right. Padding hyphen bottom, only bottom. Padding hyphen left, 200. Individually properties also you can write. Okay, when I write individual properties, what it is going to be happening? Yeah, I got applied 4 individual properties I give. The first one is top, second one is right, third one is bottom, last one is left. So you can write properties like this individually. It is not an issue. Is it clear, sir? Okay, I don't want to give the confusing values. I'm just giving common properties all sides. 10 pixel. If I return padding 10 pixel, the last line is first execution. Last line is 10 pixel only. So all side 10 pixel padding got taken. That is fine. In the same way, I can able to write margin also. In the same way, margin also same. Margin also same, sir. In the same way, you can take the margin also. Margin means what? Outer space, right? Margin also you can write in the same way. Okay, let me write a margin here. This time it is margin. Okay, you can give margin for 50, 10. And you can give margin again 150, 50, 10. And you can give margin all sides, 3, 4 sides. And you can give individual property margin. And you can give individual property called margin right, margin top, margin bottom, and margin left. See, individually also you can write margins. That is not an issue. How your padding is applying with single value or 2 value or 3 value or 4 value. In the same way, margin also you can write a single value, you can write a 2 value, you can write a 3 value, you can write a 4 value. Or you can write an individual property for margin. That is not an issue. Okay. Can I go for border and outline now?
Yes, sir.
So let me take a separate program for border and outline. border outline dot next. Okay, so as usual, same 2 paragraphs. See, why I'm taking paragraph? The content should be very bigger one. To understand the padding, to understand the margin, to understand this kind of properties, box properties. Now, for 2 paragraphs, I want to give a padding 10 pixel all side, margin 20 pixel all side. Now, just give a background color for that. Okay, blue, light blue. Now you can see we have 2 paragraphs simply. Okay, so font style italic. I like italic style. I like italic style. That is the reason I'm taking always italic. Okay, this is good. We have 2 paragraphs now. Now I just want to go for the border property. So basically for border, we have 3 individual properties. One is the border width, one is a border color, one is a border style. Okay. See, when I say a property called border, 2 pixel or 3 pixel, a solid red color. See, by writing this kind of 3 parameters. What about 3 parameters here? First parameter 3 pixel. What about 3 pixel here? Border width. What about a solid here? Border style. What about red here? Border color. Got my point? See, this method is basically called shorthand method. Shorthand border method. This method is basically called shorthand method for border. But people will write border width separately, border style separately, border color also separately. Is it clear? But whenever you are writing border width, you need to apply some style, you need to apply some color. These 3 properties are very, very important for the border. Otherwise, border will not visible to you. Border color should be there, border width should be there, border style should be there. 3 properties are mandatory properties for border. Okay, can I take some border now? Border 5 pixel solid red. Let me show the output of the page now. Okay, so for these 2 paragraphs, I got applied border. For these 2 paragraphs, I got applied border. Okay, so for reference, I am giving one simple CSS border styles. You can refer in internet CSS border styles. What are the different kind of styles which are available? What are the different kind of styles which are available? So these are the different kind of styles. What are the different kind of styles which are available for border? You can go. None is there, dotted is there, dashed is there, solid is there, groove is there, ridge is there, insert is there. These are the basic properties. Initial, inherit, all these things. What about dashed? What about dotted? I will show. Okay, so let me give the dashed style. Dashed style. Then I give an dashed style. Now previous border is solid style. Now this time I give an dashed style. Can you see and observe what is the dashed style here? What is the dashed style? Dashes will come. Let's go for the dotted style. Dotted. See, based on the requirement, you have to provide the styles and all for the border. A color also. Whatever the color you want, you can provide the color. Whatever the style you want, you can provide style. Okay, let's go for the solid itself. I'm not going to be working with the dotted and the dashed, solid only. Okay, I don't want to write the shorthand method, sir. This is called shorthand method. This is called shorthand method. So you may ask a question, sir. I don't want to go for the shorthand method, sir. I want to go for normal way. Normal way means you can write like this: border width. I can specify single value, two value, three value, four value in the same way. If you provide single value, all side border width same. If you provide two value, top and bottom one size, and left and right one size. Okay, 100 or 220. 200 pixel and 20 pixel. Now you tell me how this 200 pixel and 20 pixel will take. Tell me, sir. This border width now 200 pixel and 20 pixel I'm giving. I'm giving two values. If I give two values, how it will take? Okay, so border color also I'm giving red blue or red green, red blue or orange. Let me go for blue or blue violet. Okay, border style. Okay, solid itself. Now I am writing individual properties. I am not writing a shorthand method. I am writing individual properties, but I am trying to writing border width two values, border color two values, border style single value. Now tell me what is the output of the program. You got to observe what happened. What happened? Top and bottom too much. Red is irritating. Red is irritating. Let's go. Okay. Now you can see and observe what is the border width of for the top and bottom. Tell me, sir, border width for top and bottom.
100 pixel.
100 and okay, let me go for 50 or 40. This is better. 140. 100 for top bottom, 40 for right left. That's good. So in this way, you can design some frames using with borders, using with this kind of box model. You can design some frames for your content. For your content, you can design some frames, the good looking frames also you can design. In the same way, outline. So outline is basically not using in real time, but okay, that is not an issue. You can write outline also in the same way like this. Let me go for outline. Outline is as usual. Outline, okay, 10 pixel, solid, pink color. On top of blue, violet, pink is okay. We take some thick color. On top of blue, violet, it should be visible, right? Some outline I'm given, but outline in real time people are not using. Don't worry about outline. Outline is not required. Margin always take border to border only. Outline is not in the valid point basically. I'm just keeping outline separate. Okay, so these are the different kind of properties which are going to be available for box model. Is this clear, sir? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So today we discussed about different kind of box model properties. You try to do practice with this. I already uploaded yesterday classes also, and today class also I will upload. And these positions we'll see on Monday. This will take time. Positions will take time. Anyway, it will not finish now. We'll go for Monday session. For positions, what are the different kind of positions is? Static position, absolute position, relative position, fixed position, and Z index. These are the concepts basically we need to discuss. how the elements are arranging in static order, how elements are arranging in absolute manner, how elements are arranging in relative manner, and how elements are actually in a fixed manner. See, can you go with some websites? Header and footer is not moving throughout the website. Website is basically scrolling, but header will not move. Header only fix. Header only fix. Remaining content will move. Remaining content can scroll. You can see different kind of website. Let me show one application called Amazon. You see the Amazon website, amazon.in. Can you see this? Amazon have some black color header. Content will scroll, but header will not scroll. What is happening here? Header is scrolling, huh? Header is scrolling, huh?
No.
Black color header. No, header will not scroll. Only content will scroll. Whatever the content you are getting from server or database, the content is scrolling. Header is not scrolling, sir. Can you please try to observe it? Please try to create a Amazon kind of application for this today and tomorrow. Just design a simple static web page. The kind of a property image. See this product image, a product description, a product some price, whatever you want. Just a dummy content I want to take. Same Amazon kind of application. See, whatever the gallery application you have, a bottom you can create a spans. For one span, you can give some text like product name, and another span you can give some product price. Can you do this kind of application till Monday? Amazon kind of application.
Yes, sir. We will give it a try.
Yeah, you can feel like give some CSS. Previous week actually we done with HTML, but this time you can try to apply some CSS and give a good borders and just feel good. It seems look feel good with CSS. Just static. I don't want to go for JavaScript. I don't apply any JavaScript there. Just go for static. Okay, so that is the assignment for this week. Create Amazon.in with HTML and CSS. I just want a look and feel. That's it. It should not be a working application. And create a news blog. Create a news blog with HTML and CSS. And not only this, you can go watch YouTube videos also. In YouTube, you have to search for, see what you can do in YouTube also. These 2 days are very, very important for you people. These 2 days, this Saturday and Sunday is very, very important for you people. Why? Because of just go to YouTube and search for HTML projects, HTML sample projects, HTML sample projects. You can search for HTML sample project, only HTML. There is no CSS required. You search for only HTML. Okay, only HTML. Or build a website, build a project with only HTML. HTML sample projects. You can search for. Okay, so this one you can see a beautiful and simple web page using HTML only, no CSS used. Can you see this one? How many minutes? Okay, 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, he designed a simple website, a sample page with only HTML. After that, what you can do is HTML, CSS, landing page. Landing page. Create a landing page. Okay. Search for HTML and CSS landing page. Sample landing page design using with HTML and CSS. So you know about Hindi, right? you know Hindi language, you can watch Hindi videos or English videos, whatever. See how to create a website using with HTML and CSS. Build a beautiful website. Please build a beautiful website. I want to see a beautiful website from you. Okay, and just send your applications to my email ID. So what are email ID I already given to you? I already given one email ID to you. Which email ID I'm giving applications, all the things I'm sharing to you. This one. Okay, so one thing, which email ID I'm using for that? This one. Yeah, you can send that applications to this email ID. Please write it down. Send projects to this email ID, and my personal email ID also I'm giving. For my personal email ID also you can share. See, for these two emails, you have to send your applications. Please note it down, these two email IDs. Everybody, please note it down. Or I'm giving in the chat, you can copy paste somewhere. Send projects, a beautiful web page. Please create a beautiful web page using with HTML and CSS. Later we will go with the JavaScript. After JavaScript, you can create an application using by JavaScript also. Is it clear, sir?
Yes, sir.